So this is how you can use the iPad as camera monitor. Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials like this one. Well, you need to have your iPhone as well as iPad ready, and on both devices, download the Blackmagic camera app, right? It's free on the App Store. It's a great app, right? So make sure you download it on both devices, like give it access to the camera, microphone, as well as access to devices on local network. And the point is that once you are inside of the camera application, you need to go to the setting on your iPad. That first, go to the remote camera control and make sure you turn it on right here. Decide that you're going to use this iPad as a controller because we don't want to use the camera of the iPad, only to control the one on the iPhone. And on the iPhone Blackmagic application, you as well go to the settings, the remote control as well, but you decide to use this iPhone not as a controller but as a remote camera. So just like that, you also get to pick the password for your remote camera and you are now going to be good to go. On the iPad, all you have to do is go to your regular camera mode, tap on the three dots in the left section of the display, tap on the connections, and you'll be able to see your available camera right there. So you can see my iPhone is available right here. I can enable it, type in the password if it asks for it, and I'd be able to see or use the iPad as a viewfinder for the camera right there. So this is how it works. Let me know if you managed to make it work on your device as well. This is just a quick guide, so make sure you do that. And subscribe to this channel so you don't miss videos like this one. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.